Stop what you're doing. DJI Avata 360 is finally happening. After months of rumors, leaks, and speculation, we now have a clearer picture of what this groundbreaking FPV drone will bring in 2026. New specs, prices, and a release window that could shake the entire drone market. So why the delay? DJI originally hinted at a late 2025 launch, but teaser videos never dropped. According to multiple reports from China, the Avata 360 was pushed to January 2026, likely around the 16th to 18th. This delay isn't bad news. It shows DJI is refining the drone to maintain its technological edge, especially after the surprise early launch of competing drones. The Avata 360 isn't just another FPV drone. It's a hybrid platform capable of switching between traditional FPV flight and full 360-degree capture. In assisted FPV mode, it's beginner-friendly with obstacle avoidance, collision sensors, and smooth motion controller flight. Switch to manual FPV, and all the assist features drop, giving pilots full freedom and aggressive control. Now, the real game changer, 360 capture mode. Dual lenses point up and down, capturing a full 360 degrees panorama. DJI's processing stitches the footage into a single 8K video, giving you the invisible drone effect and complete freedom to reframe shots in post-production. Creators, filmmakers, and action sports enthusiasts, this is next-level content creation. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 uses hardware similar to the Osmo 360, with a large sensor capable of high-resolution photos in 8K video. Transmission is expected to improve with O4+, possibly reaching 20 kilometers with lower latency, huge news for FPV pilots. Battery life is rumored around 25 minutes, and internal storage could hit 128 gigabytes, with SD card support for massive 8K files. As usual, DJI will likely launch multiple kit options. Entry-level bundles will give pilots the essentials, while Fly More combos add controllers, goggles, and accessories. This could make the Avata 360 one of the most versatile and innovative drones DJI has ever released. So, what do you think? Would you fly a 360 FPV drone, or is this tech still too niche? Comment below, subscribe for the latest leaks, and stay tuned. 2026 is shaping up to be a huge year for DJI fans.